WB9JNZ.
There's something with J in it. Come back slowly phonetically with that call sign.
Something with J in it. Come back slowly phonetically with that call sign. Oh, okay. It's Whiskey Bravo 9, Japan, Norway, Zulu. The name is Eric.
One more time. We're getting a little static there. It's WB9JNZ, Roger?
It's WB9JNZ, Roger? Roger. Whiskey Bravo 9, Japan, Norway, Zulu, WB9JNZ.
Roger, J&Z. And what's the name there?
Roger, J&Z. And what's the name there? The name is Eric, Echo Radio India Charlie.
Roger. Eric, is that a Roger?
Roger. Eric, is that a Roger? Roger. Yeah, and I'm running an Electraft K-3, a KC9VKV, and an off-center dipole, probably up about 20-30 feet, somewhere around there.
All right, Eric, and where are you located, sir?
I'm located about 60 miles northwest of Chicago, Illinois, in a small town called Woodstock, Illinois.
All right, Eric, if you would, give me about 10 seconds and tell me about your antenna system so I can look around and see if I can find us a better path. Roger?
Roger? Okay, very good. And 1500 extended at about 250. And I'm running an off-center fed dipole up about 28 or so feet. I have a long-sided double dipole, so I may be interacting with my other dipole, and it may be a bit directional. And again, I'm located about 60 miles northwest of Chicago, Illinois, in a small town here, KC9VKV, WB9JNZ.
Roger, Eric. Now, if you're familiar with your radio, our first part of our setup is to be sure you're in that wide transmit bandpass mode, 100 to 2900. Are you familiar with that bandpass?
That's how it goes. I am not sure if I know the bandwidth on the radio, but the filter is at 28 bandwidth on the radio, but it's a 2800 filter, I believe, QSL.
All right, yeah, maybe check into that later on if you would, to see if your radio can get to 2900. That would be the preferred bandpass. Anyway, our setup starts with you engaging your compressor at a 3, compressor on and at a 3. It's a token amount. You'll never hear it on the air, but it helps us get to our 3 dB dynamic range in the end. So be a compressor on and at a 3. Roger?
Roger? Okay, compressor is on at 3, and I do have some mic gain at about 12 as well. Thank you, Roger.
Roger, okay, with you getting your compressor on and at a 3, let's move to your ALC with mic gain in hand, and as you say the magic word audio, don't stress it, just say it like a word in EQ so that you might do, and with mic gain in hand, adjust your ALC to read mid-scale to 2/3 by way of mic gain control. Roger?
To read mid-scale to 2/3 by way of mic gain control. Roger? Audio, I think it's about there, audio, how's that?
Yes, sir, that really looks nice. Now, you've got onboard EQ, is that a Roger?
Nice. Now, you've got onboard EQ, is that a Roger? Roger. I have the first 3 EQs set up at -16.
Roger, what was the top one?
the top one?
3200 hertz.
Yes, sir, Eric. Okay, so everything from 400 cycles up to 1.6 should be flat, plus or minus 0. Flat from 400 cycles to 1.6K flat. Roger?
400 cycles to 1.6K flat. Roger?
Roger, roger. 1 second, let me set that up. And did you say to 1600 should be flat as well?
Yes, sir. From 400 cycles to 1.6K should be flat.
400 cycles to 1.6K should be flat.
Okay, I've got that set flat.
Alrighty, now let's go up to 2.4 and punch in 2 clicks additional boost from where you are. 2 clicks additional boost at 2.4. Roger?
2 clicks additional boost at 2.4. Roger?
Okay, I'll go to 2.4. 1 second.
Alrighty, now can you see your ALC? Can you leave your ALC up so you can see it?
Yes, I can.
All right, tell me about the best thing you like about your radio, and try to keep your ALC in that sweet spot between mid-scale and 2/3.
Okay, I think Elecraft recommends about 5 bars of ALC, which is right about in the mid-scale, and I think I'm right about there at the moment. It should be there. It looks pretty good at this point, I hope. I don't know what you're saying on your end, but it looks okay here, I believe.
Roger, Eric. Okay, I want you to go to 200 cycles, and I want you to put that at +3 from where it is. 3 clicks additional boost at 200 cycles.
Which is all the way down, and I added 2 clicks boost there, so it's at a -14.
You kind of faded out from my local antenna, which I was using, but I need for you, for your signal to come back up a little bit, because like I say, I would like to be on my local receiver since it is flat down to 100 cycles. Let me come back and give me a little talk about maybe what you like about ham radio in about 10 seconds, and let me see if I can reestablish contact on my local antenna.
Contact on my local antenna.
I think I made a mistake. At 200 hertz to add 2 clicks at 200 hertz. I think wrong button, and they added it at 100 hertz. Can I just readjust? I'll go to a second here.
Well, I think that'd probably have to do it for right about now, Eric. I can't really copy you further, but I think you're in a nice, good, safe position where you are, and maybe we get better conditions next Friday, or maybe even later on this afternoon. We go live till 5. So if my conditions get better to you a bunch, then hopefully your conditions will get better to me, and we'll be able to fine-tune this thing just a little bit more. Roger?
Tune this thing just a little bit more. Roger?
Oh, okay. I can give you a little more power here if that helps.
Yeah, I just went around the horn again, and I don't have you anywhere, hardly at the moment. You were on Milford fairly well, but those conditions have shifted somewhat. So I think we're in good shape. If you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube, do a call letter search, KC9VKV, followed by the word logbook. That will take you to this recording, and we'll have it posted by noon tomorrow. So YouTube search KC9VKV logbook. Roger, Roger.
Logbook. Roger, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Thank you very much, Jim. Sorry the conditions are not so good, but that's how it goes at ham radio. Thank you so much, Jim. Appreciate it. KC9VKV, WB9JNZ.
Roger, Roger. ERIC-73, sir. Have a great afternoon and a beautiful weekend. This is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. My name is Jim, and we're live till 5, so if you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.